Today I want to show you how to remove a background color when working with green screen and replace with a new background image. The first thing you'll need to do is import the video into Camtasia. Then, drag the video to the media track and edit as necessary. Always complete this step first. Once you have edited the video, you can begin the color removal process. Select the Remove a Color feature in the Visual Effects menu. Drag and drop onto the clip on the timeline. Select a color to remove. Fine-tune the properties to eliminate any remnant color. Add a new background. Make sure that the background image is behind the video recording. Save the Camtasia Studio project to allow for editing at a later time. Produce the video and upload it to YouTube to share with others. As you can see, removing a green screen with Camtasia Studio is simple.